What's up, boss darns? I know it's been a while, but I think it was worth the wait. When y'all see these, but when I see these. So, I was scrolling on Balenciaga.com maybe a couple days ago, and well, really, I think like maybe May 28th, because they were on pre-order to ship out on June the 1st. Whatever the case is, I say to them, I'm like, am I seeing these right? Or those like, because I remember I seen these shoes a long time ago on the on their runway show, and I thought, or maybe his big jeans was covering it up. I'll try to find a picture and put it here. And I was looking and I was just thinking to myself like, those are tough. I can't wait to see them with like the product pictures. But I never knew that they had a really special component which like elevated them, kind of like the little toe sock shoes, like the Vibram sole with the like little heel thing. And I was just like, yo, I have to have these. And like, I'm really against buying Balenciagas at full price, because I'm like, if you can get them on sale, then why ever pay full price? I never want to pay full price for anything, and I wouldn't suggest you pay full price for anything that goes on sale frequently. But when I seen these, I was like, yo, I have to get these right now. And I got them. They were nicely gift wrapped. The way they came in the box was nice as well. So, oh shit. Wow. Now let me just say, before we ain't even gonna get to the shoes yet, before we even get to the shoes, I've never seen this. Balenciaga, I've been in their ass, and I've been in a lot of big brands' asses for years for not really, you know, doing anything with their packaging and their shoe, you know, the dust bags. But I think this right here is like, cause these retail for $12.50, and you know Balenciagas, they started off I think at like $8.95. The tracks maybe $8.95 or maybe $7.95, maybe $8.95. I think they were the same price as the triple S's. Whatever the case is, to get a little backpack, that is really nice. Now I got me a nice little Balenciaga backpack. That is nice. I think I heard that these come with the I think the track boots. You know, the ones, the high top ones that came in like white and black. Then you know. We got like a nice little paper receipt, just talking about their returns and exchanges. Then we have packing list. So these are size 41, and they are called the X-PANDER tricolor. Alright, so return slip, nice little thank you note, and now we can get to the shoes. It's funny because when I see people like on Instagram now, they like unbox their shoes and they do like this like little like fancy way, and it's like a trend for girls now too. And I think it's really cool to see, like, being a person who's done unboxings for probably like the last, I want to say maybe 5 to 6 years. It's kind of cool to see it kind of like transition to Instagram. I feel like it allows you to show your stuff without making it seem like you're, I guess, like showing your stuff. You know how people used to get like a pair of Chanel tennis or something, and they'd post like a little Chanel box and the shoe outside the box, and I'm like, just wait till you wear them. But then I always felt like a hypocrite saying that, because it's like, yo, if I could tell them to just wear them, then who am I to say that and not record unboxings? But I feel like this is more like an information based thing, because you gotta already be interested in the shoes. So you'll probably find me based on the shoes versus you just seeing your friend post a pair of Balenciagas because they want to let you know that they got a pair of Balenciagas. But anyway, so you know we got some basic tissue paper. I don't know why, but they smell like the Yeezy boots. Tissue paper. Oh shit. So the first thing I'm noticing right off the back is, oh, and it came with some black shoestrings. That's a plus, because I think I might switch to the black ones. I don't really like the white ones. But the first thing I'm noticing off the bat is that they have the same dirty effect like the original triple S's had. And that was one of my favorite things. So my favorite triple S's to this day are these ones right here. And they like came dirty and stuff like that. And that was my favorite shoes for like, I want to say maybe all of these years. But these are special. These are really special. Of course I'm going to do a show how they look on foot or whatever the case may be. One thing I can tell you, I think it's odd is they got like the dirty mesh. I ain't a big fan of that because it just look like off-white. But maybe like once I put them on, they'll look great. I don't know. I really like this heel though. At first, I'm not gonna lie, online I thought it might have went down. But now, you know, I don't think that's going down. Like I'm pushing really hard. And it's bouncing, but it's not going down. I wonder how these would work with people who are like heavier. They got a lot of screws in them too though. Like look, I don't know, is it on this side? Yeah, see it's like a screw here, screw there, a screw there at the heel. And if you look, they got like a really rough look to them. But they look really good. Oh shit, I didn't even know it was a hole right there. And I guess you can see it from the top, but that's tough. I'm such a clown. Let me see. I really want to see how they look with the black strings in them. There we go. And you can see that they got like a new logo B, like right there under the laces. I've never seen that before. Then we got, now the sizes on the back. Shit, so in person. Oh, see, that's the expander word. See, that be the thing about me. I ain't gonna lie, like when you get a dirty shoe, you want a dirty shoe where the dirt don't come off. When the dirt come off, it make you feel like your shoe is really just dirty. But yeah, they got the size on the back now. They look so weird. And they also went with like a narrower, like a more narrow toe. But thank God for these, because those little soccer shoes they was coming out with and that whole soccer direction they was going and kind of getting away from like the oversized chunky dad shoe. If it would have I forgot I had this backpack on my back. I'm like, what the fuck is this? If it would have kept going in that direction, it would have like probably lost me for a while. I probably would still be buying tracks. So the white strings, they got like a little dirt on them too. So I guess that's just the real vibe and aesthetic. But what I love about shoes that you buy dirty is you never actually have to worry about them getting dirty. But this looks like the run-of-the-mill, like white guy in his 40s that got the one pair of running shoes that probably smell like shit, but they be like dirty and stuff. And you be like, I always would look at the mesh part and be like, I get maybe like, cause you know it's always a thing about like, you know, like, I don't even know what to say. I hope y'all could just read between the lines. Long story short, I will always wonder like, isn't that like trifling that the mesh is dirty? Because that's just really dirty, and then like you gotta put your feet in there. But I don't know, people live differently. Different people live differently. And just know that around these parts we clean shoes off after we wear them. But yeah, so now, you know, of course we gotta look inside the sole. We just got a little Balenciaga at the bottom. Let's see, you know, we gotta take the sole out. See, this is how you can tell it's more of a square toe shoe. I've never really seen an insole be like square like that at the toe. Pretty basic. Didn't do anything special underneath either. But what I can say is whatever padding that they used is like way more comfortable. I guess they figured like you don't have much like sole to push into, so. And I wonder how they feel walking. Like I wonder, do they feel like you're gonna fall? Cause like I have a lot of shoes that got like platforms on them, and they usually feel like you're about to just tip over, like the Rick Owens, probably. But these, I specifically feel like I feel like I could wear these a lot, especially cause they got like this dirty look to them, so I don't gotta worry about them getting dirty. All right, so now we're gonna sit on this side of the couch. Well, I don't know. I feel like this couch is about to fall apart. We're gonna put them on. Okay, so. Oh yeah, this is a good fit. So they're definitely true to size. Definitely true to size. They're a little roomy. So, and it's a 41. I usually get a 41. It just depends on the shoe, but these are probably the best. Like, this is how I like my shoes. I like my shoes with a little room in them. But let me see. I'm gonna stand up in them real quick. Whoa! Look at my height difference. Hold on. Look, this is me normally. This is me with them. All right, so I'm gonna just put my height here, like this is my waist, and then look, I'm gonna put my hand here. This looks so dumb. Oh, I guess that don't work because I gotta put my hand where it is and where it is at. Hold on. I'm gonna only raise this hand. I'm gonna try to keep this hand here. Damn. You see that difference in height? If you're short, you should get these. I recommend 10 out of 10. Alright, boss dons. Alright, so for the on foot, for the walk around, for the review on how they are when being worn, check me out on the next video. I know this video was a little long. I know I talked a little bit much, but I think it was worth it. The shoe kind of just grasped a lot of my attention. Like all the details in it, like all these little small rivets and stuff. But what I really like is I like a brand that can like take one idea perhaps and then like transform it into many more ideas. You know what I'm saying? My favorite colorway in anything is probably like red, black, gray. I love wearing all black. I like wearing color and stuff too, but I really love wearing all black. I just don't think anything tops it. And I love the red and black and white and gray and silver vibes. But this is crazy because it looks like the same tongue from the what is that shoe? The little soccer ones. But I know I already said we're gonna be done. Hopefully that information, hopefully this video was informative. Hopefully this video can help you out some way, somehow. I really want to show from the sole. I'm sorry. Look at that size right there. That is tough. Let me see if y'all can see it. That's tough. All right, I'm done. And there's a hole right here too. Okay, I'm done. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Stay untouchable. Godspeed.